Every time Nina opened the fridge, it told a joke. Why don't eggs tell secrets? Because they might crack up. Turns out her fridge was bored of storing leftovers. It became so popular that even neighbors visited just to hear jokes. Now Nina calls it Chili the Comedian. Nina loved writing down all of Chili's jokes, eager to capture the laughter that filled her home. Friends soon gathered for weekly joke nights, each leaving with smiles and a newfound appreciation for humor. Word spread about Nina's fridge, transforming her home into a local hotspot for laughter. Each evening turned into a celebration of joy, where friends gathered sharing their favorite jokes inspired by Chili.